all my yarny friends, it's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Sorry that my video today is coming out a little later than usual. I had appointments and things to do this morning, so this is a little late. But today is Wednesday. It is the second Wednesday of the month, so it is the Battle of the Stitches sneak peek. And I'm so excited to show you. I have to admit that I had so many other projects to work on that I kind of was putting this off, and so I don't have a lot done, but I can show you what I do have. I'm using the Karen anniversary cakes. It's an 80% cotton, 20% acrylic, and this is what I need. This is what I have so far. I love the texture of this double crunch stitch, and the project I'm making, that's going to be, I need to hide that. Right in the middle of working on this was that. Why? So that's going to be, I'm going to have to weave that in or do something. But they tied a knot right in the beginning of the cake when I started working on this project. So that'll be on the inside. You won't see it. But I love the texture of this double crunch stitch. It's so pretty. So this has some grays and whites and light grays in it. So yeah, what do you think I'm making with the double crunch stitch? I absolutely love this stitch. There's so many things you can make with this stitch. So for those of you that are new to my channel, let me go over Battle of the Stitches. It's a collaboration that I'm doing with Heather from Strings and Threads, and we invite 2 content creators each month to join us and create something with a stitch. And what we're using this book right here. It is the step-by-step guide to 200 crochet stitches by Tracy Todd-Hunter. And you can find this book on Amazon. I will have the link in the description box. You can also find it on Thrift Books. But if you have a Kindle, it's even cheaper to get it as a download on your Kindle. So either way, I think it's still marked down 23% off or something like that on Amazon. So this is the book we're using if you want to get a hold of that book. The first Wednesday of the month, and all these details are in the description box, but I'm just going to go over them real quick. The first Wednesday of the month, we come on and we each, the 4 of us, me, Heather, and the 2 content creators that are joining us. And this month we have Thomas from Totally Fierce Crochet and Sydney from Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations. They are both joining us. So make sure, and their channels will be linked in the description box. So make sure you go to their channels. Subscribe if you haven't. They are awesome content creators. And check out their sneak peeks and see if you can guess what they're making this month. So the first week, we all 4 come on and we introduce the stitch and we do a video tutorial to show you how to create that stitch. On the second Wednesday, which is today, we come on and we give you that little sneak peek and see if you can guess what we're making. The third Wednesday, we come on and we reveal the project that we have made. And then you will go, after you watch all 4 videos and see what everybody has made, then you need to head over to Heather at Strings and Threads, head over to her channel. We used to have a voting poll up on every one of our channels. We've changed that. The voting poll is only going to be on Heather's channel as a post on her channel. So head over there after you watch all 4 videos, cast your vote for your favorite project, and then make sure that you leave a comment below the poll, because what we're going to do is we're going to choose one person out of everyone that voted and left a comment. You have to leave a comment. The reason for the comment is because the voting polls only show us the numbers of people who voted. It does not tell us who voted. So if you want to be a part of the drawing, you have to leave a comment below the poll. And so Heather will choose one. She will let us know. She will choose one name from everyone who commented, and that person is going to get to choose which of the 4 projects they would like for their prize. We would give away the project that got the most votes. But we thought about that, and we had some really good feedback from our subscribers who said, our favorite might not have been the one that won the votes. So we decided to, from here on out, we're going to let you decide. If you are chosen as the winner, if your name is drawn, you get to decide which of the 4 projects you win as your prize. So that's pretty awesome. Then the 4th Wednesday of this month, we are going to go live right here on Critters Crochet, and I will be joined by Heather, Sid, and Thomas, and we are going to come on live. Heather will tell us whose project got the most votes, and she will draw a name for someone to win one of those projects. Okay, so that's how it all lays out. If we happen to have a 5th Wednesday in a month, what we will do is we will still do the same thing the first 3 weeks. We will set up the voting poll on the 3rd week, and instead of going live on the 4th week, the voting will be open for 2 weeks, and we will go live on that 5th week. So that's how that's all laid out, and it's all in the description box if you need to read it and go over it again. But yeah, that's how Battle of the Stitches works. We have one content creator joining us next month, and that will be Nova from Nova Gnome Creations. Yay, we're so excited. So we still have one spot open for July, the stitch for July. And I'll just go ahead and tell you, because Heather and I in February, we both put out a video detailing each stitch that we were going to be doing for the rest of the months of the year. So you can go back and look at that. If July doesn't appeal to you, maybe one of the other months will. And so July stitch is this one. The double crunch is this month. So July stitch will be the tall alternate stitch. Isn't that pretty? We're getting into some really beautiful textured and lacy stitches in this book. So if you haven't joined Battle of the Stitches, now's a great time. So if you would like to be our other one, we have, like I said, we have Nova from Nova Gnome Creations. But if you would like to be a part and be the other, excuse me, content creator to join in and do the July stitch with us, Heather, myself, and Nova, this is the stitch right here. So here's something else I want to tell you. If you are not the 2 that are joining us in a certain month, if you're not part of our 4, as a content creator, you can still make something with the stitch, post it on your channel, have a video put a video out each week if you want to on your channel, and let everybody know about Battle of the Stitches and show us what you made. You can still show something and make something with the stitch as a content creator. You just won't be a part of the 4 of us in the voting poll. But we still would love to see what you make. Then, whether you're a content creator or not, head over to our Facebook page called Battle of the Stitches and post a picture of what you made with that month's stitch. What Heather does is she goes every 4 months and she keeps track of who's posted pictures on our Facebook page. She draws one name at the end of that 4 months, and that person is going to get a special prize. The last 4 months that she did it, she gave out the prize. This next set of 4 months, when we get ready to draw a name, the prize is going to come from me. And so if you would like to be in on that drawing, make sure you've posted a picture in our Facebook group. So that's how you can be involved, whether you're a content creator or not. Share these videos. If you're not a content creator, let your friends know about Battle of the Stitches. Let your friends know about this channel and spread the word. We would love, word of mouth goes a long way, guys, and we would love to get this really going and have a lot of people watching. So that's Battle of the Stitches for today. Tomorrow is Thursday, and not sure what I'm going to post today. I had been working out of the 24-hour project crochet book, but I've had commissioned orders and some other things to come up, so I've kind of put that off to the side. So that'll be coming back. I'm just not sure when. But I am continuing to work on the blouse on the top, and so this is the, let's see, it's called the must-have blouse. This is a picture of it right here. It's the must-have blouse. And that's what I'm working on. And it's so funny because this blouse is using the double crunch crochet that we're doing this month. So it's pretty awesome that it landed on the month that we're doing the same stitch. So stay tuned. I should have an update on that blouse at some point. But like I said, I've been working on other things and some other things have come up. So that'll be coming later. But guys, stay tuned. I have some books that came in, and tomorrow just might be a book review video. I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to be. So I'm not sure which one. I got several. I got about 4 books in the mail. So we'll do a book review of some kind tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys. Remember, leave a comment. I forgot to tell you this. Like and subscribe if you can. Those don't cost you a thing. And leaving a comment doesn't cost a thing either. And what we have just recently learned is the comments are what boosts our channel in YouTube more than anything else, is leaving a comment. That helps our videos get out there. It helps our videos to be seen by more people. So guys, even if you say something as simple as, hi, how are you? Or leave a little emoji, just something in the comments that helps boost this channel and gets it seen. So I appreciate any comment you can leave. But for sure today, let me know what you think I'm making with the double crunch stitch. What do you think this is going to be? I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye.